Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a vegetarian recipe and that is methi muthiya. Methi you all know is filled with leaves. It's a Gujarati dish and they use it in their undio. Then it's also used in the curry, dahi curry and as a snack item you can have. So let's get to the recipe now. I have taken 2 cups of big methi. I've washed and chopped them. To that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon each of garlic and ginger paste. Two green chilies, I've ground them. These are sesame seeds. Sugar, salt to taste, hing and turmeric powder. Here I've taken some curds, that is dahi. Now I'll mix all these ingredients first. The detailed recipe with the quantity ingredients I will be giving you in the description box below. Now I'm adding here 1 cup of wheat flour. This is a regular wheat flour we use for our pulkas. Here I'm adding half a cup of coarsely ground wheat flour. This is half cup of besan, that is chickpea flour, and 2 tablespoon oil. You have to give all this a really good mix. Please do not use water. Water is not required. And here I'm trying to get the dough together. I've taken some more oil so that the dough does not stick to my hand. Now you can see the dough is forming to a nice smooth ball. Yes, the dough is ready now. Now I will just cover it and keep it for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, I'll start preparing the muthiyas. I've taken very tiny portion of the dough and roll them, but not into a ball, into oblong shape I've given. This is this is exactly how the muthiyas are prepared. This shape is there, but you can give a round shape, whatever you want. Only the oblong shape, it guarantees you the frying them gets good. You can fry the muthiyas well with this oblong shape. Here I've kept the oil to heat. Oil is nice and hot. You start placing the muthiyas in the frying oil to fry. And see that you don't overcrowd the frying pan. So they all are well fried. First initially you keep the oil on high. And when you get that golden color exterior, then you reduce the flame and let them fry on slow flame for a longer time. This will ensure that the muthiyas are cooked from the inside and they get a nice crisp exterior. You see I have done with the frying. I'm satisfied with the color and they look good to me. So I'll take them out of this. I've taken a kitchen napkin so that it will absorb all the extra oil. We don't want our muthiyas to be oily, right? Yeah. Now let me check if the muthiyas are cooked from inside. Oh wow, yummy. Can you see them? Yes. Now I cannot resist. I'll pop one piece in my mouth. Yummy. They're just yummy. They look good and they taste yummy. Now this is a closer look. You can see one tip is that coarsely ground wheat is a must. Well friends, I'm sure you enjoyed this video, and yes, I will just eat one methi in front of you. This is absolutely yummy. See how it looks, nice and green on the inside and golden brown come out. I cannot just resist them, so tasty. Now this recipe I got from my colleague or friend from my office days. He was a cashier and his name was Mr. Mehta. His wife used to prepare these yummy mutiyas and get them every day to office. So the recipe is from him. Do try this recipe, give me your feedback, and if you like this recipe, do not forget to press the button like, share the recipe with your friends so they enjoy this yummy dish, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get information every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.